Good day everyone. Thank you for joining me today. Today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to create lists in Python. So basically lists are used to store multiple items, assigning them to one variable. If you don't know what a variable is, please check out my previous video. There's an explanation on what a variable is and what they do. So the aim of this video is to show you guys how to create lists in integers, strings, and also booleans, and also how to remove those items that you've created in the list. So let's get started. So our list number one will be strings. So when you're creating your list, you need these brackets. These brackets store the items that you want to put in the list. For example, now I'm going to make a list of fruits. So we're gonna have our fruits inside, apples, for example, apples, bananas. I don't know if this is the way you spell bananas, bananas, and grapes. I best believe my spellings are correct. Let's get to the second list. So our second list will be integers. Remember, to create a list, you need these brackets. So inside these brackets, I'm going to create a list from numbers 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, perfect. Our third list will be booleans. Booleans is either true or false. You have two choices, whether it's true or it's false. So we're just gonna print that out. So we're gonna have true, maybe false, true. Yeah, so this is how you create lists. And now let's print this list out. So we're going to print the first list, print list number 1, print list number 2, print list number 3. So this is how you create lists. Let's print it out. And I want you to realize when I run this code, these lists are going to be what printed out in the terminal. So let's run the code. Perfect. So I hope you realize that our first list of apples, bananas is printed out. Our number count from 1 to 5 is printed out. The booleans true or false are also printed out. So now, right now, let me show you how to remove items from the list. So we're just going to clear this. We're just gonna kill this terminal. Let me show you how to remove items from a list. For example, you want to remove the item apples in your list. So this is what you're going to do. You're going to use the method remove. Basically, remove is a method that removes items from a list. And inside these parentheses, you need to specify which item you want to you want to remove. So let's print out the list and see whether it has been removed or not. Parentheses, list 1. So let's print out and run the code. Let's run the code. So I hope in the terminal, I hope you see that the item apple has been removed. It's only bananas and grapes now. So I hope today you've learned how to create lists in Python and how to remove items from the list. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.